Assalamu alaikum ji, I'm Village from Market Hunters, and today I would like to present the second learning session video in which you will learn about basic trading view tools and how to use them. So let's get started. First of all, there is a trend line option where you can just see at your left side of the toolbar. Click on it, trend line, and in trend line is basically just giving you the market basic price actions trend, where the market is moving and where not. So you can use it for different purposes, like for patterns or for something, and note how the market is just moving. The second thing is horizontal line. Horizontal line is basically used for support and resistance. If you want to know where is the support, where is the resistance, just use it. It will just come at your screen all over there. You can see there. If I will mark the resistance right there, so you can see here is the resistance, and it's just coming at your all the screen. There you go. Here is the support, resistance. So I will just cover these things in the next video, how support and resistance works. So this is used for its purpose. The third thing is that horizontal ray. Horizontal ray is just similar to horizontal line, but it's not just coming all over the screen. It's just marking your point where you will do it. For example, I'm marking the resistance level here, so it will just come there right at my certain position. The next line is parallel channel. In parallel channel, you can see the market trend, where the market trend is moving and how it's working. So if I just choose this point, so I will just click on the parallel channel from the trend line options, and you can see this is the first point and there is the last maximum point touches. So you can see there is the price is moving in the parallel channel, and then it's suddenly breakdown because the upward channels are bearish and the downward channels are bullish, right? After this, the next thing is your paths. Here you can see the fourth option, where you can just click on it, and here is the brush, paths, rectangular things and everything. So in brush option, you can click on it and just mark the levels which you ever want. For example, I want to mark that the price will move like this, and then move down, and then move up, and then move down, and then slightly go up. So this is the my assumption that price will move that like this. So you can mark your uh, price actions or everything you want to assume like this. And next thing is rectangular, where I can mark the support and resistance for my ease, because I want to know where is the strong buy and support resistance level. So if I'm marking this level, you can see this is the support, is a support minor, this is the support, and then price bounce back. So I will guide you in the next video that how you can use support and resistance for your trades and easily gain some good profits from it. So one more thing I would like to tell you, that what is this? This is a measurable tool for your ease. Like if you want to measure that how much price moves upward or downward direction, so you can just click on this measurable tool and just go to your candlestick start point. Here is the candlestick start point, and you can see that the last week is there, and it is 5.87% profit. So if someone is buying from this level, here is the support, and selling at this level or this level, he will be in profit. So one more thing is that how you are able to delete everything which you are just drawing on this chart. So you have to click at the screen in the right click there, and go to your remove drawing option. If you will just click on it, everything will be removed, whichever you draw at your screen. So I'm clicking on it, and you can see that everything is just removed. If you want to undo everything which you suddenly removed or accidentally, so just click on this undo remove drawing button, with the bar replay option. So if you will click it, it will be back like this. Okay. If you want to delete any certain thing, like I want to remove this line, a brush line, I will click on it and you can press delete, or just here you can see the delete option, remove option. You can click on it and just it will be removed, right? If you want to hide everything from your screen, you have to click on this option. This is second last option, hide all drawings. If you will click on it, every drawing will be hide from your screen. And if you will again click on it, the drawings will appear back. So here's the basic trading view tools learning session, where you are able to learn about basic tools, how you can use them and do technical analysis. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.